Okay, let's explore the math tools as well as ways to find other tools throughout this week or weeks in the future. So you're going to log into Clever. This is my version of Clever. It looks a little bit different from yours, but it is this basic idea. So remember too, if you can go to my page, that gets you to the apps we use the most often. But if you scoot on down to where it lists math, you'll see Dreambox, and then also next to that will be Bridges. It's this kind of red looking icon. It has a ruler, and this is actually called a compass. Well, I guess that's not a compass. That's a protractor. Woo, sorry. I've been out of school too long. So you're going to click on that button. And we are in second grade, so we go to the 2 for second grade math. First of all, if you are up for adding some things to your math routine, now that we've been going for a while, not required, but if you head to this page, they have an activity of the day that gives you some pattern recognition things that you can do. And it also is a place where if you're feeling like you want a bit of a challenge, they have some really cool questions here too. So that's something where if you feel like you'd like to add some more thinking to your math day, you are welcome to peruse these options. They also have an archive, that means old versions of things. So that if you go to grade 2 in the archive, you can see a bunch of different activities you can do that are kind of similar with that pattern recognition and mathematical thinking. So that's not what we're here for. We're checking out the tools. So notice how over on the right it says math, game, and tools. So you can click on the link here or go ahead and click right down here. It'll open up. And first off, it shows you a bunch of different things that you can do like at home or quick things that you can use. So like if you don't have a dice, a way to make a spinner that's like a dice. I think Bennett had mentioned he'd done something like this. Also though, over here you see digital math tools. Click on digital math tools and you see a bunch of free math apps that come from our curriculum company, Bridges. Now, if you're thinking, whoa, our devices are already overcrowded with apps, all of these have an option where you don't have to download it. You can open it in the web app. So like this week, there's the money pieces. So you can come right over here and you could download it, but also go to Open Web App. If you click on that, then you just get to use it on whatever device you're using. And so you can use it to build numbers, for example. So here I have, what do I have? $1.51. I'm not saying that you necessarily need to use that app this week. As I looked through our work, it's an option. It's something that if you feel like you need more math manipulatives, you could try out, but there's no requirement to use it. But as you go along, if you see something where you're going, man, I'm really having a tough time with this concept, and it mentions an app, this is what we're talking about. And that's that with the amazing Bridges website.